Welcome to another episode of the New Zero. In this video we're going to be making a simple chicken pesto pasta. It's everything you can see here are all the ingredients that we're using. So some tomatoes which we will cut in half, asparagus, sun-dried tomatoes, this is optional, pesto, sauce, olive oil, some breast fillet, you can increase or decrease it depending on how much you want to make, and some whole wheat pasta. If you don't like whole wheat pasta, you can use the standard penne pasta, and some salt to taste. We might add some pepper as well throughout the dish. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Right, our first step is to cut the chicken into cubes. Next, we need 2 cups of whole wheat pasta. 1, 2. Then we'll need a pack of tomatoes. There could be these type of tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, and we're just going to cut them in half. Next, we're going to cut this asparagus into 3 centimeter pieces, and we'll probably remove just a bit of this as well. Let's cut this up. Next, we'll need 2 tablespoons of oil for cooking the chicken and the asparagus. I'm going to put a little bit extra. There we go. We're going to need 1/3 cup of pesto. Let's stir that up a little bit. Beautiful. We're also going to need 1/3 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. We might slice these up before we cook them. So we have all of our ingredients ready. We're going to cook the pasta, cook the chicken, and then take the chicken out, cook the asparagus, and by then the pasta should be done and we can add all the ingredients together. Alright, let's start with the pasta. This is going to go in for around 10 minutes. Let's hold that in. Perfect. A little bit of salt. Alright, we're going to put, now to cook the chicken, we're going to add a little bit of oil to a pan, probably around half of the oil, medium-high heat, chicken goes in. Some salt for the chicken, and some pepper. We're going to add the chicken, the pasta, the pesto, we're going to combine that together on a low heat. Tomatoes, as well as the sun-dried tomatoes. Get all of that flavour in. That looks incredible. A couple of minutes so that the pasta can cook a little bit more. Take a look at that. The colours look incredible. It's beautiful. So this is going to be divided into 4 containers so that it can last me till Wednesday. Let's do it. Here we go. 4 meal preps. Under an hour. I have to admit these containers are now really shallow. I probably could have put a little bit more pasta. See the bottom, but yeah, this is pretty good. Let's give it a taste. Alright, let's taste it and see how we go. What do you get? Everything. Really good flavour, not too heavy, the chicken seasoned well, it's cooked through, which is what you want. That is so good. That's it for this week. I'm going to put the recipe in the description below, so if you want to give it a shot for yourself, all of the instructions will be in the description. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next week where I attempt another meal prep recipe. Take care, guys.